Alright, so today we are playing Slime Rancher. We actually filmed 2 episodes of this already. Sound quality was crap. We forgot to mute ourselves, so you had 2 voices going on. It was bad. That's okay, we're gonna start over today. Just so you know, we've both played this game before. However, it's fucking adorable. And I want to play it again on camera. So we're gonna do Scarlet Chloe Vlogs, because that's my channel. And
She's like
I want to be the little strawberry.
cute berry.
Cute berry. Okay, adventure, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Here we go.
Yay! It's so cute and colorful and just like, it makes you happy. I don't know why. It just makes you happy. It's so cute.
It makes you happy.
So yeah. Cute little pink slime up in the corner.
Dancing. A low dance. Alright.
Oh, and if you saw the pumpkins we carved on Halloween, I posted a picture. 1,000 light years away from Earth on a planet known as the Far Far Range, Beatrix LeBeau begins her first day as a slime rancher. The pumpkins were carved after this game.
The honey slime and the pink slime.
Yes, he did the honey slime, which is why it looked so good.
Oh my god.
Hi! So I have to go through the tutorial first. Hop. And then shift is first.
And we sprinted in.
Here.
I don't think you even sprinted. Try it. There you go. That's real fast.
Alright.
Suck the pink slime. Probably more around. Yeah. Suck them up.
Hello.
Oh, there's a little floor.
Okay, vacuum the slime.
I want you to put it in there.
Ow. Okay. I did it! Sorry, y'all.
But
We have to get through the tutorial.
you buy a slime cart. Go sell it.
There we go. We did it.
Yep.
Oh.
Tasty food.
I don't really like these though, do they?
Pink, they eat anything.
Oh yeah, you're right, you're right.
Yeah.
Eat! Go eat!
Right? Think about that one's easy to call. Go eat that food.
Get out there and explore.
Maybe.
Eat it! Oh, yummy!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so happy slime. Oh! Oh, thank you.
Hey, poop.
Yeah. Alright, I think I can go now, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Oh, wrong.
Yeah, you should. I'm sure there's probably some other pink slimes around your farm. You can set them up at some point.
Oh yeah,
just so
let's
they're
do
not
that
wandering
first.
around, causing trouble,
Yeah.
making tar.
Yeah, that would fight. Oh, it's chickens. Little chickens. Huh.
I don't know where they are. That place is...
That's locked right now, isn't it? Oh no, it's not. Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh.
Oh, maybe you only had a few slimes around.
Alrighty.
Alright.
Okay. Let us go. I can sprint now.
Explore.
Okay, we're gonna suck up some slimes.
Yeah.
There's a lot of them right here. Hello. Oh no!
Oh no! There's some food there too.
Yeah. Who'll go through?
Yeah.
Oh, this is grass. Hi, I miss you.
Carrots.
Yeah. Carrots.
Past other ones.
Where? Oh, huh.
Open your
I saw
eyeball.
a dude.
What?
The slime is still there. I thought he sucked it up.
You did.
I gotta think some
Spawn.
keys.
Oh, you got the H.
Oh, yeah.
To read too.
Yes. Hello. Oh.
God.
No, okay. It's okay. E. Hello, Beatrix. My name's Hops and Twigglers. Rancher Explorer.
Twigglers.
What did it say? Twilgers?
Twilgers? Oh.
Rancher, explorer, and the former owner of this here ranch you now call your own. Pleased to make your acquaintance. I was ranching for more years than I can remember and felt there was one last adventure left in me, so I've set off to find just that. But before I go, I'm taking one last tour around this here land I love. So keep your peepers peeled for notes like these if you want to hear what an old coot has to say every now and again. Be talking to ya, H.
Good old Hobson. Hey.
Twigglers.
Twigglers.
Oh my god.
Why do you do this?
I feel like that should be the button. Not the other way around. There's fruit up there.
Yeah. You have a vacuum.
It's too far.
No, it's not. Back up. Just go back down. It's because you're underneath it.
I got it. Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it.
I am.
You're worried.
Oh no.
Oh no. Give me your plorts, bitch. Give me all your plorts. Give me your carrots.
Screw you.
All the little chickens. Give me all fruit. Okay. Okay. I'll find some other slimies. There's other slimies. Oh, hi. Hi. Oh gosh.
Oh gosh. I'm scared of that one single pink plort.
I don't want someone to eat it. Oh, but they don't. Yeah.
They will eat it. You just shot right at them.
Oh, I don't want you. Rock slimy.
Quick, take them before they eat the pink
Oh
plort.
god.
Oh, too late.
Oh, lots of carrots.
One more.
Oh.
Silly.
Come here. Not you.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's a whole lot of fruit.
Oh, get that.
Oh my Largo.
Oh, my.
Eat.
Oh, he's dead.
Damn! Sorry.
There you go.
There we go.
That you can't read.
Yeah. How do I? Oh, here we go. Leave. Woohoo! Ooh. Give me all your food.
You can only fit one more.
That one.
You can go home now.
Alrighty. Goodbye.
So remember, you have to think about what combinations you want.
Yeah.
To mix.
Yeah. That's okay.
Because the first 4 slimes you'll get are Pink Rock, Tabby, and Phosphor.
Yeah.
Mm.
But the phosphor needs that cool thingy.
Yeah, at nighttime.
Yeah.
The little shade. Of green.
Yeah.
But you have to think, because you want to be able to get their favorite foods.
Yeah.
And like any meat eaters should be mixed with the veggie ones, because meat eaters are hard to get.
Yeah.
So,
And Tabby's the meat eater, right?
yeah, Tabby's the meat eater, and penguins don't have a favorite.
So probably Tabby and Pink. It might be the no?
Like I said, because pinks, they don't have a favorite.
Oh yeah, you're right.
So you should mix like pink with something that has a favorite veggie or fruit, and mix tabbies with something else that likes fruit or veggie.
Yeah.
Has a favorite veggie or fruit. So I know we're talking about it doesn't make any sense, but you'll get it in like a
Yeah.
when we set it all up.
Let's go look at my letter. Just to do that. Star mail.
You got 2 of them.
Start with this one. Welcome to Far Range from the 7Z Corporation, Miss LeBeau. The 7Z Corporation would like to welcome you to the Far Range. Welcome. And extend our support in your bold new venture as a slime rancher. Support extended.
Nice.
We would also like to request that you exercise caution in your first few days on the range. Until you get more familiar with surroundings, traveling at night is not advisable. Fuck you, I do what I want.
Oh.
Lastly, should you require any additional tools for your backpack or items to make your slime ranch experience easier, the 7Z Corporation would be pleased to provide them to you from the shop located just outside your ranch house. The 7Z Corporation provides the tools you need to get the job done. For us, for a small fee.
Wow.
Rise and shine, Casey. Hi, B. What's it like to sleep for a whole year? Did you dream? No. I can't imagine what that's like. 7Z puts you in a pod and then lights out for all that time. Wow. What's the far, far range like? Have you started exploring? Is the air as clear as they say? I bet it's really beautiful. I'm probably asking too many questions. I bet you have a lot of work to do on that ranch. I still can't believe it's yours now. I guess I better leave you to it then and just keep it short. Good luck, Bee. If anyone can make it out there, it's you. Yes, you're right. It's me.
Cute.
It's me. What's Beatrix LeBeau?
Yeah, it's me. Who am I?
Yeah, I was like, what's my name? I'm just gonna shoot all the carrots in there so I free up some space.
Eggs.
Hey, I'm fine looking.
I know, we all know that.
He is so rude to me, you guys. I can't even believe it.
She struggles.
Ah! Little bitch.
Yeah. Wow.
Yes, I know. Ooh, more Rockies.
Okay.
Hello, I want to.
Look it up. Okay, you pressed the wrong button again. You're just lucky you didn't have anything to shoot.
Oh! Okay, that means there's tabbies around here. Unless those are the only tabbies.
Yeah, it turned into the boys.
Okay. Let's try in here. Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Whoa, they're falling from the ceiling. There's tabbies. Look at that tabby. Y'all the pinks need to get away.
If they're eating, you better do it before they start mining.
Oh, no. You. Oh,
A Q-berry.
I don't need pinks. Get out. Get out of here. There we go. That's someone's favorite.
Yep.
Okay, here's another little note. I had a great big tree like this one here along the edge of my property back on Earth. It had been there before anyone could remember. It survived all kinds of change around it, and then one day I began to notice it was dying. Was it anything unnatural? It was just the time, I suppose. And then I realized that if I didn't do anything, I'd end up like that tree. I spent my whole life in the same place. I wasn't gonna let that happen.
Whoa.
So I bought a ticket for the far, far range the very next day.
Sick.
H.
Okay.
I need money.
Yeah.
So I can build a...
Your pink ones at home probably have a lot of plort you can
True.
sell.
So I'll go home.
Slick.
I know.
No one's business. Oh my god.
Damn straight.
Yeah.
Nah. A smooth.
Smooth.
I don't want pink. Look at that rock slave. Keep going. Hi.
Laid a plort.
Laid. Like a little chicken.
Laid a plort.
I need to upgrade my running. I can't run very far.
I'm surprised you're actually running.
Yeah, it's faster.
Yeah, but you hate doing anything that's not just pressing one button at a time.
Yeah. Okay, I need to get rid of something. Let me just put that there.
Alright.
Chickens won't eat it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't make it on the space for them, so it's bouncing out.
There's the one that bounced out. Yeah. Are all y'all in?
One more, and it's perfect. You're full.
Perfect! Oh my god. He low-key hates me. Alright, let's see if I have enough money for another corral.
Corral.
Corral. Or should I do a garden? No, I should do a corral.
Is that where you want the girl?
I think
You
so.
should plan out where you want it.
Yeah, because like here's a corral, there's a food, here's a corral, there's a food. Or should I do it across?
It's up to you. It's your design. You just figure out whatever is more convenient for you. Whatever's more convenient.
Because last time I did it here, and I did the gardens right here. I think this time I wanted it here. Can I put anything else?
Nope.
My walls, yeah. Okay. So let's just put the rock slimes in there for now, right?
Sure, whatever.
Yeah. Okay, what do you guys eat? How do I get to the info?
Just get the Slimeopedia.
Okay, thank you. Slimes. Rock likes veggies. Okay. Like meat, obviously, and they like anything.
Yeah, they like anything but no favorites.
Yeah.
So you won't get double quartz.
Hey, give me all your carrots!
You can put pogo fruit in there, we'll sell you.
Yeah. Oh, there's only 2 for them. Okay, guys, ready?
You may have enough to put a garden down.
Oh, you mean
Just so you can like put that Q-berry somewhere.
yeah. Garden. No, barely.
Almost.
I'm trying to go find some plort.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh god, I forgot they hurt me.
They're sharp.
I forgot. Guys, I need your plorty.
They're so happy about it.
I know.
That was slick.
I know.
You pick up the Q-berry, the first one eats it on accident.
Yes. Just sell these rocks.
They're 18, I think.
Beep,
There you go.
Is that enough now?
No, 250.
Oh, 250. Okay.
And a bit more.
Let's go find some plorts out there.
Mm.
Maybe some more rock slimes too. Just cause. See if there's any more veggies if they. No, they still haven't gone back. Cause I need some veggies for my Rockies.
Yep. Wow.
I know. Oh, here's a lot. You guys, what's up? Oh,
Whoa.
get out! Disgusting. Beaches. Is that one turn? No.
Hey, look at all these bullets you pick up.
I know. Give me all your money, bitch. Oh, the phosphor. Mixed with the pink. I can't do phosphor yet though, so I don't have the.
They die in the daytime.
Yeah. They only come out at night. That's a phosphor right there.
Yep.
Cutie. Uh oh, someone just turned into.
Oh, yeah,
oh
okay.
god. Okay, I'm out. Oh no, I'm so scared.
You should suck up the phosphor just so it's in your Slimepedia.
Okay.
And then you can spit it out. There's one, turn over there. That direction, just go there. No, turn left. Towards the cave. Let's go towards the cave.
Okay.
It was around there. Somewhere.
Over there, okay. Okay, thank
So
you.
you have
You
it
have
now.
it, yeah. So I know.
So make it easier to strategize.
Yeah.
Strategize.
Perfect.
There you go.
20. 2020.
2020. Oh my god. That's so funny. That's so funny.
Shut up.
I remember, I think, or I don't know if you want to unlock it, the jetpack. Do you have it?
It's probably in the.
Maybe you have to unlock it.
Yeah. Okay, let's go build a garden real quick.
Yeah.
Whose favorite is that? I can't
I don't
remember.
know.
Let's see.
Read. You have all the 4 basic ones.
Yeah.
So you can see if any of them like it.
Cuber. Okay, so phosphor.
So whoever you got, whoever you combine that one. So you should combine phosphor with like tabby or pink,
Yeah.
and then rock with the other one
Yeah.
because rocks like veggies. Like
Yeah.
what are rocks like? What's her favorite?
Heartbeat, I'm
Oh
pretty
yeah,
sure.
yeah, it's heartbeats. So you'll have to find heartbeats. in
Yeah,
there.
heartbeats. Okay. Shoot it. There we go.
Yeah, two berries.
Okay. See, I'll do phosphor probably with them.
Okay.
You probably tabby. Because there was heartbeats, I can do heartbeats right here.
And
Yeah. Okay. So I just need.
what?
I need to find heartbeats. I don't want to. Should I combine them already?
Combine
Tabbies and rocks, since I know I'm gonna do it.
I wouldn't, just because like you don't have food for them yet. So if
Also,
they get,
I don't. Yeah.
And if they get mad,
Yeah, and have the net.
walls. Yeah, walls aren't tall. They don't have net.
Yeah.
So I would look around.
That's true. Okay.
I think I have a general idea of where some heartbeats are. I can kind of
Okay.
guide you to. Just go. Just walk. Go to that place that had like the first place you found tabby slimes.
Okay.
Or actually.
Oh, we should end the episode. 20 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so that was the first episode. I hope you enjoyed. Next episode, we'll combine some slimes, get higher walls, get a little air net, get that shit all set up.
Yep.
And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. It's kind of a slow game, but I kind of like that about it, you know?
Yeah,
It's
more chill.
Yeah. Alright, bye!
Bye.
I don't know when it started. It feels as natural as drinking water.